Hey everyone, today we are embarking on an extensive journey guiding you through the intricacies of measuring influencer marketing ROI. This is an essential aspect of any influencer marketing campaign, and by the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge, strategies, and tools to master this process like a pro. Whether your campaign's goal is to boost sales, enhance brand's visibility, drive engagement, or harness influencer-generated content, we've got you covered. Prepare to become an ROI expert in the world of influencer marketing. Crafting clear and precise campaign goals. To begin the process of measuring influencer marketing ROI effectively, it is crucial to start with crystal clear campaign goals. In this extensive segment, we will guide you on the art of setting precise and actionable campaign goals that seamlessly align with your company's broader objectives. We will explore the intricacies of various goals, whether it is the desire for increased sales, heightened brand awareness, enhanced engagement, or the generation of compelling influencer-generated content. By the end of this segment, you will have honed your ability to create goals that are laser-focused on results, providing a foundation for accurate ROI measurement. Choosing the right key performance indicators or KPIs. Key performance indicators serve as your North Star when navigating the landscape of influencer marketing ROI. We are diving deep into how to select the perfect KPIs that align with your campaign's goals. Whether you are aiming for Instagram post impressions, enhanced engagement rates, or an uptick in conversions, we will present you with a comprehensive list of KPIs tailored to your specific objectives. Our mission is to ensure that you can set numeric, specific, and achievable goals for each KPI, laying the foundation for precise measurement and confident decision-making. The art of crafting a comprehensive strategy. A well-crafted strategy is the backbone of any successful influencer marketing ROI measurement process. In this segment, we will walk you through how to create a powerful influencer marketing strategy that empowers you to reach your campaign's goals effectively. We will leave no stone unturned, exploring the evaluation of campaign expenses, which include influencer fees, product samples, and the utilization of crucial tools. Additionally, we will introduce you to the myriad benefits of using cutting-edge influencer marketing software to optimize your campaigns and ensure you achieve your campaign's objectives. Calculating ROI with pinpoint accuracy. Now, the moment has arrived to roll up your sleeves and master the art of calculating influencer marketing ROI with pinpoint accuracy. We will guide you through the intricacies of combining your campaign's returns with the costs incurred. You will learn the how-to of calculating ROI, involving a simple formula that requires dividing the return by the cost and then multiplying by 100. Furthermore, we will delve into the various variables that can impact your ROI, including the timing of your campaign, the influencer's affinity for your brand or product, and the decision-making timeline for your product. Advanced techniques and next steps. As you have embarked on this comprehensive journey to measure influencer marketing ROI, you have undoubtedly gained a wealth of knowledge and strategies. This knowledge empowers you to make data-driven decisions, ensuring that your influencer marketing efforts are maximized. But our journey doesn't end here. In our final segment, we will explore advanced influencer marketing techniques, taking your campaigns to the next level. We will dive deep into innovative strategies to help you stay ahead in the dynamic world of influencer marketing. So, stay tuned for our next video where we unveil these advanced techniques. Measuring influencer marketing ROI need not to be a daunting task. Armed with the knowledge and strategies you have gained today, you are well prepared to track and demonstrate the effectiveness of your influencer campaigns. We trust that this comprehensive guide has equipped you to make data-driven decisions and maximize your marketing efforts. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to excel in TikTok influencer marketing, a comprehensive step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.